don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amapens Watu TV. We have a major announcement. Monapule Saleng is now an official Mamelodi Sundowns player. I'm joined by Ubaba, Umnigeni, Umtungu.
Ya manje yakujabulisa nilento.
Hayi lutho baba. Hayi lutho Tamalami. Alabathi Saleng uzokubulala esigodini nge-18. Kusho ubaba kaHansi akusho mina time.
Uzabuye ethini ubaba kaHansi. Kodwa ke na indlela akabona ngayo.
Sure.
Mina indlela engiyibona ngayo ukuthi iSundowns ayiqali. Ya iqala ukuthatha umdlalo wePirates.
Sure.
Abanye bebathatha kiyo straight. Mangathi uyakhumbula indaba kaTeko Modise, ukhumbula indaba kaOpa Manyisa.
Yes.
Ukhumbula indaba kaGandaganda Innocent Buthelezi.
Yes.
Ya uLinda Buthelezi.
Sure.
Nabanye abaningi engibaqede.
Sure.
Kodwa uma ngiyibuka lento ngiyibuka mina iqinisa i-competition. iSundowns kusho ukuthi iPirates ithatha ikhali. Ya inika isithi ithi ngathi awungidubuli kahle awuthi ngikunika ngoba vele iSundowns ibishota ngomuntu odlala nje aqonde ngqo uthi umuntu nje ongenele groundini ukuthi yena ufuna igoli ibishota ngalowo muntu loyo. Manje la kusale ngimtholile umkhuthuzi. Umkhuthuzi uya straight akacabanga izinto eziningi mayebona ibhola ucabanga igoli.
Kuphela.
Ya manje ngaleyo ndlela leyo iSundowns iwinile.
Sure.
iPirates iluzile.
Yes.
Ngoba sibanga kakhulu na iSundowns njengamanje. iSundowns ibanga kakhulu nePirates manje uma ngabe iSundowns sithola uMunicipal Saleng sekuyingozi. Kodwa uma ngabe sesibheka ngelinyiso it's more of a win for Saleng than it is for Sundowns.
More of a win for Saleng.
For Saleng.
Than it is for Sundowns.
For Sundowns.
Explain, Tamala.
Udokotela uIvan Khoza uyazi ukuthi umfana akasekho eteamini asazi besicabanga ukuthi wathi uhola 70,000 isho izinto eziningi asazi asikho lapho.
Sure.
Kanti ubonile ukuthi icareer yomfana ayivuselelwe. Kanti futhi wabheka nokuthi let me cash in while I still can. Yeah, kukhona phela amasentshana iSundowns ewakhiphile esingazi ukuthi imalini kodwa nikhona iSundowns imali eyikhiphile. Manje lokho into leyo ebaleke kakhulu.
Sure.
Ukuthi icareer yomfana ibhola lakhe livuselelwe kabusha kuSundowns nefuthi lizovuka vele. Yeah, uSaleng abantu abaningi bePirates balimele kodwa vele sesiwashayila amakhaphu amabili engekho uSaleng. Lokho kusho ukuthi bakhona abafana benza kahle. Nonkotho uhambile bafikile oApolis bafikile oTsepang Mremi nabanye ngibaqede bonke. Ya kodwa nje into leyo ekhona ebalekile ekufanele ukuthi siyazi. iSundowns nePirates they have a very good relationship. They've been doing this thing for far too long and I think somehow they think the same. Though they may differ here and there. But I want to thank the Mtsipe family. Now, I don't look at things as a supporter only. I have to look at things now as a club owner. Yeah, myself.
As a chairman.
As a chairman myself. As a father, most importantly.
Yes.
That even though the boy did bad at Pirates, he stopped attending training, but he's still a player. And Orlando Pirates, Dr. Ivan Khoza and his team are still parents to this boy.
Yes.
And the Mtsipe family as well, they saved him. So I like it. As a parent, I like it.
Yes.
As a fan, I may not like it, but I like it as a parent. Monapule Saleng has been saved. Remember, the Mtsipe family, when they hire you, if you do well, they keep you. Look at Godfrey Sapula. He's still there. He's coaching the ladies team. Look at Peter Ndlovu. He's still there. He's I don't know what is his position. Mambush Mtiao is there. So if you do well at Sundowns, maybe That is his start. This is the start of Munapuleng's career.
Yeah.
I like the Msipe family. I think that's why God blesses them. They don't eat their money alone. They share it. They pay their players very well. That's why Monapule Saleng went there. Because if you remember, when they signed Peter Ndlovu,
Sure.
they said he was going to get paid 150,000. And that was a lot of money at the time.
Yeah.
It was in the early 2000s.
Yeah.
And we were saying, even myself, I was saying Sundowns is wasting money, this man for these Msipe guys, because we didn't know that it's gonna get finished. But now you see where they are, you see what they are doing. So they are doing very well for the South African football.
Yeah.
And what is most important about them, they respect their employees. They respect those that they found here. When Sundowns won the Champions League, Dr. Kaiser Mtaung and Dr. Ivan Khoza went to the airport to welcome them. And Mr. Mtsipe's speech was, we found these people working here, so we want to thank them because they were there in front. We have to learn from them. He didn't come as a billionaire, because if he came as a billionaire, he will be out now in soccer. But he respected the game, because it's very important that when you get into the game, you respect it. Yeah. He respected it by paying players very well. Ask Brian Baloyi. You know Brian Baloyi. Yeah, ask him. So he's paying his players very well. He respects the league, he respects the ball. And if you meet them, I never met the Mtsipe, the senior, Mr. Petrus, but I met his son. And he called me my brother. And I felt big. And I felt, he called me his brother. Yeah, even asked me, he asked me my name. We met at Naturana in March, and I was surprised. Yeah. Come here, my brother, let's take a photo. And we took a photo, then I said, what kind of a guy is this? So that is why they are grounded. Yeah. And they are that's why they won Saleng. So football-wise, Orlando Pirates gave their ammunition to the opponent, but it's not for the first time. Yeah. But then business-wise, Sundowns is going somewhere. Then Munapule's Saleng career has been revived. So congratulations, Saleng. Congratulations, Sundowns. Congratulations, Dr. Ivan Khoza, for saving this boy's career. Yeah.
Thank you, Baba.
Thank you, sir.
Well said. Well said, Mala.